Osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is a chronic, most common form of arthritis affecting millions of people worldwide. It occurs when the protective cartilage that cushions the ends of bones wears down over time. Osteoarthritis occurs most often in older people, although it can occur in adults of any age, but it commonly starts in the 50s and affects women more than men. Osteoarthritis is also called degenerative joint disease, degenerative arthritis, and wear and tear arthritis. Although osteoarthritis can damage any joint, most commonly it affects joints in hands, knees, hips, and spine. Osteoarthritis cannot be reversed, but the symptoms can typically be effectively managed. Causes. Osteoarthritis is caused by joint damage. It occurs when the cartilage that cushions the ends of bones in the joints gradually deteriorates. This damage can accumulate over time, which is why age is one of the main causes of the joint damage leading to osteoarthritis. Cartilage enables frictionless joint motion. Eventually, if the cartilage wears down completely, bone will rub on bone. Factors that may contribute to osteoarthritis are age. The risk of developing osteoarthritis increases as someone gets older. Joint injury. People who have incurred an injury to a joint from an accident, playing sports, or another reason may have an increased risk of developing osteoarthritis. Torn cartilage, dislocated joints, ligament injuries can lead to osteoarthritis after years. Overuse or occupational stress. Repetitive strain in joints can cause the cartilage to wear down prematurely. People who perform certain activities in their jobs for hours at a time may be more likely to develop joint pain and stiffness. Obesity. Extra body weight puts more stress on a joint and contributes to osteoarthritis. Certain risk factors such as family history and gender can increase your risk. Osteoarthritis tends to run in the family, especially if you have genetic joint defects. You are more likely to suffer from osteoarthritis symptoms if your parents, grandparents, or siblings have the condition. Younger people are more likely to develop arthritis as a direct result of a trauma. Certain medical conditions such as gout, rheumatoid arthritis, diabetes, and other hormone disorders increase the risk of osteoarthritis. Symptoms. Osteoarthritis symptoms often develop slowly and worsen over time. Signs and symptoms of osteoarthritis include pain or aching in the joint, tender joint, stiffness usually occurs first thing in the morning, inflammation, limited range of motion, clicking or cracking sound when moving the joint, swelling, bony growths at the edge of joints can cause fingers to become swollen, tender, and red. Diagnosis. Medical history, physical examination, and lab tests help to make an osteoarthritis diagnosis. If your doctor suspects you have osteoarthritis, he or she will closely examine the affected joint. He will check for tenderness, swelling, or redness, and for range of motion in the joint. Sometimes a doctor may recommend imaging and lab tests, including blood work. Joint fluid analysis, X-rays, and magnetic resonance imaging can help diagnose osteoarthritis. Medications. Osteoarthritis cannot be reversed, however, the symptoms can typically be managed effectively with lifestyle changes, physical therapy, medications, and in some cases, surgery. There are a number of different types of osteoarthritis medications that can help provide relief from pain and swelling. They include oral analgesics. Oral analgesics help some people with osteoarthritis who have mild to moderate pain. Topical analgesics. These over the counter products are available as creams, gels, and patches. They help to numb the joint area and can provide pain relief, especially for mild arthritis pain. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs are the most commonly used drugs to ease inflammation and pain. Your doctor may prescribe the antidepressant Cymbalta to help provide chronic osteoarthritis pain relief. Corticosteroids. These prescription anti-inflammatory medicines work in a similar way to a hormone called cortisol. The medicine is taken by mouth or injected into the joint at a doctor's office. Therapy. This disease starts gradually and worsens over time. Staying active, maintaining a healthy weight, and some treatments might slow progression of the disease and help improve pain and joint function. Treatment depends on the affected joint, including the hand, wrist, neck, back, knee, and hip. Certain therapies, including physical therapy, occupational therapy, Tai Chi, and yoga, can help manage the symptoms of osteoarthritis. Physical therapy. A physical therapist helps you exercise to strengthen the muscles around your joint, increase your flexibility, and reduce pain. Occupational therapy. An occupational therapist helps you discover ways to do everyday tasks without putting extra stress on your painful joint. Tai Chi and yoga involve gentle exercises and stretches combined with deep breathing. Heat and cold pack can relieve pain and swelling. Heat, especially moist heat, can help muscles relax and ease pain. Cold can relieve muscle aches after exercise and decrease muscle spasms. Braces or shoe inserts. Shoe inserts can help reduce any pain experienced when you stand or walk by immobilizing or supporting the joints. Assistive devices. Certain assistive devices can help relieve excess stress on a painful joint. This includes things like a cane, a stability device which can help take weight off of your hip or knee as you walk. Surgery. If joint pain or damage is so severe that medication is not working, your doctor may talk to you about having surgical and other procedures like cortisone injections, realigning bones, and joint surgery. Joint replacement surgery. Joint surgery can replace damaged joints with plastic or metal parts to restore mobility and relieve pain. Hips and knees are the joints most commonly replaced. Lifestyle and home remedies for osteoarthritis. When it comes to managing osteoarthritis symptoms, lifestyle changes can be one of the most effective ways to make a significant difference. Choose a healthy lifestyle. Eating healthy food, not smoking, drinking in moderation, and getting good sleep are important ways to lessen the joint pain and stiffness of osteoarthritis. Diet. A high quality diet may help provide relief from osteoarthritic symptoms by reducing inflammation and swelling. Eating foods high in vitamin C, D, beta carotene, and omega 3 fatty acids can be highly beneficial. Exercise. Physical activity strengthens the muscles around your joints and may help relieve stiffness. Aim for at least 20 minutes of physical movement every day. Choose gentle, low impact activities such as walking or swimming. Knee or hip pain may make it harder to exercise. That can cause or worsen weight gain and lead to obesity. Being overweight or obese can lead to the development of high cholesterol, diabetes, and heart disease, and also high blood pressure. Gentle stretching, raising and lowering legs from a standing or seated position, daily walks, and hobbies such as gardening can help. Talk to your doctor or physical therapist before starting a new exercise program. Maintain a healthy weight. Carrying extra weight increases the stress on your weight bearing joints such as your knee and hips. Losing weight helps to reduce pain and stop or slow down joint damage. Adequate sleep can reduce swelling and inflammation. Getting enough sleep at night can also help you to manage pain more effectively. Protect joints. Make sure to warm up and cool down when doing exercise. Watch your step to prevent falls. Balance rest and activity throughout the day. Having osteoarthritis can decrease function, weaken muscles, and make it more likely that someone has a fall and greater risk of fracture. Relax. Avoid stress through meditation, listening to music, connecting with friends and family. One of the best things you can do is manage your occupational risk. If you work a job that involves a lot of repetitive motion, such as kneeling, lifting, or walking, talk to your doctor about ways you can reduce your occupational risk. Complications. Osteoarthritis worsens over time because it's a degenerative disease, often resulting in joint pain and stiffness that may become severe enough to make daily tasks difficult. Depression and sleep disturbances can result from the pain and disability of osteoarthritis. Thank you.